Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to open a Mercury bank account for non-US residents. So let's get started. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to check if you can open a Mercury bank account even if you are not living in the United States. First, open your browser and go to the official Mercury website by typing mercury.com in the address bar. Once the website loads, look for the Open Account button. You can usually find it at the top right corner of the page or sometimes in the center of the home page. Click on it to begin the account setup process. After that, you'll be asked to enter some basic details. Start by typing your first name and last name, then click on Start Application to continue. Next, you will need to provide your work email address and create a password for your Mercury account. After entering these details, click Next to move forward. At this stage, Mercury will automatically check whether their service is available in your country. The platform uses your IP address to detect your location and determine if you are eligible to create an account. If Mercury is available in your region, the website will take you to the next page where you'll be asked to answer additional questions and provide more information to complete the application. However, if the service is not available in your country yet, you may see a message informing you that Mercury currently doesn't support account creation from your location. In that situation, you can try contacting Mercury's support team through their official email to ask if there are any alternative options or if your case might qualify for opening an account. So basically, whether you can open a Mercury account as a non-US resident depends on Mercury's availability in your country and their eligibility requirements, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.